welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Divanay here. For those who are new, hello, thank you for stopping by. And for my return subscribers, wagwan, you dig. Right, people, so today's video, I'm actually in my bathroom in my house, and I'm going to show you guys what I use for my skin. So many of you have asked me to do a video on my skin routine. Like, I don't even use much. I do use certain products on it, very minimal. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in this video, please stay tuned. And let's get straight into the video. Woo! Guys, first things first, like, I'm in my bathroom now. I've brushed my teeth before you guys get at me. At the moment, I am using this natural, I'll show you guys, this natural soap. It is shea butter based and it's activated with charcoal. This is from the raw store. And literally is high in vitamin A, C, and D, and it is made also with goat's milk. So I'm a lover of shea butter, and it makes your skin feel so silky smooth. So guys, you have to wet this up and just put it like in a lavery consistency. And what I do, I don't put water on my face first. I just rub it into my skin, like so. Put my scarf up, rub it in. And then I would just wash it off with water. So guys, I have washed my face. Right, people may think I'm a bit weird, but so it's still soap there. I don't use cotton pads or anything. I just literally let my face air dry like so. So guys, my face is now dry. So usually after I would have washed my face, I would then take the shea butter and the raw store, and I'll just open it like so. It comes obviously in blocks like this. So what you have to do is take a bit, a piece, and then you just have to just rub it into your hand. People, this is natural. So you just have to just rub it into your skin like this, and until it comes into like a little paste. So like I'm just rubbing it in. One finger and just rub it all over my face. Also, shea butter is good for dark circles and wrinkles, so I usually just rub it under my eye because a girl don't get sleep. And that's it. So that's my first part of my skin routine. I'm now going to show you guys other products that I use on my skin as well. Right guys, I use another soap called Dudu osun soap. This soap is from Africa. It is a herbal soap, and the properties of this is really good. It's good for people who have acne, bad complexion, people who suffer from eczema, or people who are trying to get rid of dark spots. So this is something that I use. The lemon agent and lime agent that's in it helps give your skin a brighter complexion and get rid of like the dark spots and all that kind of stuff. This soap hair, people, is good. This is what I use all the time, but I thought let me just try something else. But this is probably maybe the main reason why my skin is the way it is, or why you guys are intrigued to know what I use on my skin. Please guys, look up the raw store and look up for this. This is definitely a must for you guys to use. Once or twice a week, I use the charcoal activated pore cleanser. This is from Holland & Barrett. Like I said, this literally just takes off the oil and cleans out your pores and your skin, and it just leaves you just basically radiant. So this is what I use twice a week. It's a mask, so you just put it on your skin, leave it on for 3 minutes until it's dry, and you just wash it off. You use Sanex. Sanex is my everyday wash. It's good for my actual skin. I even use it on my face. Obviously there's different things of what it does. This one's to soften and hydrate your skin. This one is for sensitive skin, but you can also use it on your body and your face. So when I haven't, like if I run out of soap or something, this is something that I use on my skin as well. And it makes your skin feel excellent. Like this takes off makeup like to the T. If you got makeup on, guys, Sanex is the one. It takes off everything. So these are my minimal skin routine products I use for my skin to make it look the way it looks. And yeah, I'm glad you guys, you know, noticed my skin looking nice and want to know what I use. But obviously that's the last thing you use. When you guys wash your face and cream your skin, you need to use Vaseline on your lips. But guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I shall see you guys on my next video. But guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. One love. Bye guys.